Today we have got for you the Dupray steam cleaner. Now, big shout out, big respect to John Hole at Clean and Shiny, Mr. Clean and Shiny, Mr. Detailing World Official. I use a CD steamer and I'm having a lot of issues with the CD steamer. The attachments, the quality, the build. Now it's not a massively cheap steamer. It's a quite expensive steamer, but every time I go to use these the tool for the seats, it snaps. It's snapped 3 times now, and it's very, very, very frustrating. I've got something good for you to try. I've got a hairdressing chair. This is covered in dye, lots of stuff, horrible nasties. It's been on there for ages, and I've tested it already on the other part of the chair. And it's come up really well. It's come up really well. It looks nice and clean. So I'm going to show you that today. But I'm going to go through some, while that's heating up, we're going to go through some of the attachments you get. As you probably know, I'm a hairdresser. I work from home. Gets lots of stuff. Obviously, you can see this. Look very good. You know, you can wear them to bed, make you look absolutely gorgeous. I might actually get my clients to wear these. What do you reckon? Looking sexy or not? Can't believe it. Look at that. I look proper English, and that leads on to my second part of this conversation, is the fact of the amazing attachment. Now, this is what's great about it. This has a plug and play. This has got like an isoblock kind of fix, quick release, which pins into the flap. Who doesn't love a good pin in the flap, eh? Who doesn't love it? So, quite a long lead, quite a long little bit of device, roughly around, well, I'm nearly 6 foot, so around 2 meters length. Comes with these little nylon heads, which is super safe, especially for doing engine bays, those kind of areas. Very hard plastics, those are really going to work really, really well. But the best thing about on this device is you have a temperature, and not temperature, sorry, you have a steam control, a variable steam control on the handle, which I will be doing a review on my Hoover very soon, my new Hoover. I've got a Draper Hoover, and that also has a Bluetooth technology on the handle to do the stuff, which is phenomenal when it comes to working in the car. Having this outside the car, being able to adjust the steam up and down is going to be a huge win for me. I love that. How quick do these detachments come apart? Very quick. Very good, got good quick release system. Pops out, very easy. Plug and play, boom, back in again, straight in, love it. So looking down at the machine, it's starting to warm up very nicely, which is what we want, for the test panels. So let me move you into position. Let me get you over and show you what this steamer can do. Come on over, come on over, come on. Who doesn't love a live? I've got no cameraman, I've got no people here, but let's do it. Let's get it cracked on. Right, let's show you my hairdressing chair. Dirty bugger. Yes, I'm a detailer, but I have a dirty house. So let's give you the 50-50. As you can see under here, we have worked on this one already. I've had this chair 7 years. 7 years of dirty tinting, cleaning. All sorts of objects have been brushed over this. Hairspray, wax, you name it. It's been on it. It's yeah, it's had a lot of build up. There's still some stains on there that are very built in, very stubborn. But as you can see, not very sexy, not very nice. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get some cleaning solution. Let's get some cleaning solution. I've got a product that I use called Auto Smart by Brisk. A very cheap product. I'm just going to lay that on. Lovely. Now that's a ratio of 1 to 10. You can use a ratio of 1 to 10 if you use it in a. If you're going to be using that in a machine, it's 1 to 20. What you don't want is bubbles and foam coming up all over the place. So we've got the steamer down here. Oh, there she is. We're going to attach the device, the hose, straight onto that device, and I'm going to show you how easy that is to just plug and play. So let me get you down here. That's it, there we go. So, as you probably see, flip this up. Great little attachment, goes straight in. And like I said before, this can be filled up as and when. So when you run out, there's no waiting around. You don't have to wait around for this to cool down and then heat up again. You can literally, there is no pressure in this tank, so you can continuous fill this to your heart's content. So, like I said before, you've got the variable adjustment on the handle that will give you the steam. You also got a lock on the back of the handle, a child lock, just in case baby Shiell walks in and decides to try and scold herself, the stupid girl. Don't touch daddy's steamer. Come on. Maybe she wasn't ready. Is she ready? She's not ready. So I thought she was ready, see? See? How long's that been? 8 minutes. I thought she was ready. She's not quite ready yet. So let me give you, let's get some of that. Let's get a little 50-50 on the go. Let's get some tape out. What they say, don't work with steamers and dogs or children when it comes to live videos. We all love a 50-50, don't we? Eh? Car detailers, all about the 50-50. There we go, and she's ready. Now, as you can see, that didn't take long. Didn't take too long. Right then, let's get in here. Let's get it on, like Donkey Kong. As you can see, do you know what I feel like? I feel like I'm on QVC. I feel like I'm on the shopping channel. Getting myself excited here, getting proper excited. Where's my terry towel? Get my terry towel out. Bit of terry. Oi, Terry. Oi, oi, Terry. Get yourself a cheeky terry towel out, yeah? There we go. Here's one I made earlier. It's such a shame to ruin a good cloth, innit, eh? Do you ever get disappointed when you have to ruin a good, decent half cloth? That 50-50 ain't gonna work, is it? Let's be honest with you. Crank that steam up a little bit more. There we go. And as you can see, what I love about this machine that's very different to the other machines is the fact that it doesn't spit. It's not spitting. Not like the other ones. They spit and they steam and they do all sorts of things when they're working. I think this has got something to do with its pressure system. It's got something to do with the fact that you can have continuous fill up, that it straight off the bat, look, straight out. Leave it to sit. Dry steam straight away. You getting that? How good is that? You getting that in, guys? And as you can see, might take a little bit more product just to get that last bit of stub and stain out. But any of the, you can actually see the hairspray on the seat. I don't know if you can see that, where the steam's been kicking in. You can see the leftover hairspray on this. You can see the right down there. If I work this in, there you go. Some good results to get rid of that. Absolutely awesome. As you can see, the dirt on that side compared to there, yeah, impressive. But not just that at all, guys. We've got glass straight up in your grill, straight onto the glass. One thing I love about this is the quick release system. Straight out. Let's pop this out, bang. And you know that glass is one of the biggest things when it comes to car detailing. It's the bit that the customer can ruin the whole detail. If you leave any smears, any stuff lying around, the customer will be very, very annoyed. You've spent 60 hours on a detail and they get the ump about the fact that there's a little bit of grease just in the corner. So the glass is the pièce de résistance. How cool is that? Just for steaming, just for natural steaming. I'm sure if you put some Vicks in there, if you got a cold, anything like that, brilliant. So, hairspray all over the mirror. Just flip it. I could do it without even looking at it, look. What I used to do, what I would do for this back in the day as a trainee in hairdressing, you know that. Brutal, honestly. Do you know the amount of mirrors I used to do in the salon? Probably used to have about 30, 40 mirrors. Obviously, whenever you're doing it, you should always have a clean cloth. Clean cloths for glass. Don't transfer it, that's what makes them smeary. A nice clean bonnet, and all that hairspray, any leftover glue, any marring, anything like that, marring. And as you can see, that flashes absolutely brilliantly. Dupray or Dunno? You let me know. I haven't tested the Karcher SC4, I haven't tested the Karcher SC3, I haven't tested, I have tested the Sealy, obviously I've had a Sealy machine, but I haven't tested the Karcher 4.4, which is the industrial one, and I haven't tested many other products. So you let me know, what products do you use, what do you like? The fact is that with this product, you get a 3-year warranty. That's unbelievable. And a lifetime warranty on the attachments, not on the attachments, on the actual cylinder, on the actual heated device, the tank. A lifetime warranty on that. So, as everything's falling around me, I will end this video. So I'll be posting something to my YouTube channel. This is all going to be on, all edited up, looking nice and sexy, ready for you guys to like, comment and subscribe. If you like this kind of content, if you like these kind of reviews, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share it to your mates, send it to your nan, send it to whoever you want, send it to your mum's boyfriend, send it to her husband, whoever you want to send it to. I've been Jonny Shiell Detailing. Thank you very much for joining the live. Appreciate all your support as always. We have got some good news coming up very soon next week. We've got the Jonny Shiell Detailing merchandise coming out next week. We've got polo shirts, we've got jumpers, and we have got the hoodies ready for the winter. And in the pipeline, we've got some caps. So stay tuned, set your alerts, set your notifications, and enjoy the show. Appreciate you coming on board, and I hope this review really worked for you and you guys really enjoyed these kind of reviews. I'm going to go. Love you lots, and I'll leave you with a cheeky little oi, oi. YouTube, Instagram and Facebook.